Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a follow-up video today on Get Cheeky. So if you remember, the first video we did an impression kit on Get Cheeky. I'll put a link in the description below to that video. And basically you do impressions, which I did 3 impressions because I kept screwing up. But once you kind of get the hang of making the impressions, you got to do them real quick. Watch the video. I'll tell you all about it in that video. But you have to do the impressions really quick because the stuff hardens really quick. So once you do the impression, though, you send it in, and you want to get basically a Nightguard made and sent back to you. So that's the whole point of Get Cheeky, is a Nightguard, right? So sure, you can do this at the dentist and pay hundreds of dollars to do it. Get Cheeky does it. You can do it at home. You don't need to go to a dentist to do it. And frankly, it works great. So at the end of the day, I did the impressions, finally got it right, and about 4 to 5 weeks later, they sent me basically my Nightguard that was completed from the impressions. And because I kept screwing up, I wasn't super optimistic, right? I wasn't optimistic that it was going to fit really great because I thought maybe I did something funky with it. But at the end of the day, they sent me this. This is what you get from an impressions, from the impressions kit. You get this back. This is your Nightguard. So, love it. First bite. There's some little clever marketing stuff in there. So it has that sort of stuff. And then it gives you a case. So this is really your Nightguard case. So the rest of this box can go away, right? So here you go. They give you this case. And the case is nice because you can just leave it on your nightstand or, you know, by your sink or whatever. And then your Nightguard is in there. So this is made of it's like a soft Nightguard. So it's not a super rigid hard one, right? So it bends. So this is just an upper. You can get uppers and lowers. You can get a combination of whatever. And at the end of it, it's basically, look, if you think of it as a retainer, like if you had braces, this is what a retainer would be like, right? Except for a retainer is hard because it wants to keep your teeth in place. This is soft. And the idea is just, you know, like people grind their teeth at night, and because of that, you can get issues with it where it can affect your gums, it affects your teeth. So this will prevent that because the rubber between your teeth will actually pad it and you won't grind your teeth down. So it fits perfect. So if I put it in, it fits perfect. Now, I can't talk really well with it. It's not really, I don't think you put it in and go out to a bar and have conversations with people or whatever, right? You go to sleep. So that's the point of a Nightguard. You put it in, go to night. So it fits really well. And I will say that, you know, like having the case is really kind of nice. It takes a little bit to get. So it takes, if you want to get one, it's going to take you 4 to 5 weeks or whatever. They are offering discounts right now. They have like Cyber Week sale and things like that, 30% off if you do it. They always have some kind of discount, right? We'll put a link in the description below as well. There's always discounts available for them. So check out the discounts before you actually just order. But it is a really nice, easier way at home to get a Nightguard and try it out for less cost. So it's cheaper as well. So I think this was like $129 if you just want to get like a one-time Nightguard. They do offer where you, I guess if you're really chewing on them, you can offer and get a subscription and get replacements and things like that. But anytime you want, you can get one. And then if I 6 months from now go, hey, I need another one, I chewed through it or I lost it, the dog ate it, whatever, right? You can call, order another one, they send you another one because they already have your impressions. So that's it. Works well. It's much cheaper than going to a dentist and having it done. And subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up. Let me know if you tried any other Nightguards or things like that, at home-based, do-it-yourself type things like that, or if you had a good or bad experience going to a dentist doing it or anything like that. So we'll see you next time. And I'll put a link in the description below for the previous one to get the impressions made. Probably funnier than actually getting the Nightguard. So, thanks.